Weather Rate certified most accurate forecast. Fox 54 Weather.
Well, I definitely learned something that I need to switch my phone because I have a iPhone SE with a home button.
Sedona was like, I still have a home button. And
little baby.
I was thinking she was talking about her work phone, and she was like, no, I have a home button.
Yep, exactly. This is just like my work phone. So
I think I have the 14 Pro Max. I go through iPhones.
So you're in a good spot.
Yeah, I go through them kind of fast because somehow I always find a way to shatter one of my glass screens. This past time it was the back glass, but fingers crossed we're gonna hold on to this one for a while.
I hope so. I know I'm like, no, maybe it's time to trade this in.
I know we're probably running a little short on time, but I want to know, do you think that Apple purposely slows down the software to get you to buy the new phone?
Yes.
I know that was like a...
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. I believe it. I see my phone starting to slow down a little bit, and I have the 14, so I'm like, what are y'all doing, Apple? Come on now. Let's go ahead and jump into our graphics. I want to talk about the rain we're seeing right now on the radar because we're expected to see more of it heading into the afternoon tomorrow. So just some light rain right now, especially on the western side of the Tennessee Valley. What you see really right here is just what we call ground clutter. It's just the return feed from the ground to the radar beam that's causing all this blue and green that you see. Right here's the rain, like I said, really towards the western side of the Tennessee Valley, so west of I-65, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin County, Morgan County, probably seeing some light rain at the moment. And that's really all it's going to be, is some light rainfall throughout the overnight. Zooming things out, though, we're tracking this cold front that's off to the west. Does have a severe thunderstorm watch associated with it, and a few severe thunderstorm warnings. It's really hard to tell because of the clouds that we're seeing, but this is all going to progress eastward throughout the coming hours, so we can expect to see that cold front move through tomorrow afternoon. So rain chances for the overnight really going to be slim to none, between about a 20 and 30% chance of rain. But like I said earlier, once we get into the afternoon, that's when rain chances really going to start to increase, especially by the time we get to the 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock hours tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures right now, we're comfortable, mid 70s, upper 70s in some areas. Huntsville sitting at 78, Arab and Coleman at 77, 75 right now, and Moulton 76 in Russellville. Fort Payne currently our coolest spot right now, sitting at 73 degrees, and that's actually where most of us are going to fall for our overnight low tonight. And we are going to keep a slight chance for some straggling showers and storms, but otherwise we're just going to continue to sit under a partly cloudy sky. So bus stop forecast for tomorrow, some of us could be dodging some isolated showers early tomorrow morning, low 70s by lunchtime. We'll warm up into the mid 80s. That's where I'm thinking we'll see a lull in the rain between the morning and the afternoon, and notice by the time we get ready to come home from school, going to be low 90s. That's where high temperature is expected to be tomorrow, and that rain chance going to be about a 60%. So let's go ahead and talk about it on our futurecast. Just going to continue to track clouds and a few scattered showers throughout the overnight and into early tomorrow morning. But like I said, heading into 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we're going to start to see those showers increase, and will increase in coverage by the time we get to 6 o'clock. Notice how we're starting to pick up on some purple areas as well. We could see some very heavy rainfall tomorrow afternoon, and a few strong to severe thunderstorms going to be possible tomorrow afternoon as well, meaning damaging wind gusts, frequent lightning, and like I said earlier, heavy rainfall. But by the time we get to Thursday, we should be dry. But there's that cold front we're going to be tracking tomorrow, expected to come through sometime tomorrow right around the dinner time hour. It's going to drop dew points, though. We'll be in the low 60s heading into the weekend, so not really expecting humidity to be a problem. That's actually going to drop our rain chances, so we should be dry heading into the weekend as well. We are tracking the tropics. We've got Tropical Storm Lee. It is expected to become a Category 4 major hurricane by Sunday. But like I said, we're just going to have to continue to track it because it could impact the eastern side of Florida. 7-day forecast keeps us in the low 90s tomorrow, and Thursday, cold front moves through. We'll see the upper 80s Friday heading into the weekend. Looking ahead to this time next week, mostly sunshine, temperatures back in the low 90s. Sedona.